In this video, I'll show you how to connect a custom domain in Lovable. First, open your web browser and go to the Lovable website. Sign into your account and open the project you want to connect with your custom domain. Next, open your project settings and look for the Domains or Custom Domain option. This is where you can connect a domain that you already own. Now, click the option to add a custom domain and enter your domain name. Type the domain exactly as you want visitors to access your app, then continue to the next step. After that, Lovable will provide the DNS records you need to add to your domain provider. Open your domain registrar, such as the company where you purchased your domain, and go to the DNS management section. Next, create the required DNS records using the information provided by Lovable. Add the record type, host name, and value exactly as shown. Save the changes and return to Lovable. Now, wait for the domain verification process to complete. DNS changes can take some time to update, so the connection may not happen immediately. Finally, once your domain is verified, open your custom URL in a browser to test your published app. Your Lovable project will now be available using your own custom domain instead of the default project URL. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect a custom domain in Lovable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.